Shared here at Big Pine Sports. We're going to do a top speed run in first gear per your request in a speed UTV. We've got the mile per hour right down here if you want to watch it, all right? Here we go. Like we're hovering right about 58 miles an hour, higher or lower than you expected, higher or lower than you'd hoped. More info to come. Stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. More fresh content dropping every day. Oh yeah. Have a good night, everybody. Hey everybody, it's Shared here at Big Pine Sports. I know we couldn't just stop at gear number 1. Here's top speed run for gear number 2 in the speed UTV. All right, let's go.